Hi, Red. I'm trying to give you an idea of what the wind is like. I'm trying to hold the door open so I can get this camera out there. It's just terrible. And this is slowed down a little bit. So I'm glad we caught you in time. Where's that flag? Let me see if I can zoom in on the flag. Ooh, where is it? There it is. Can you see it? There's no fishing today, and it's going to be worse tomorrow. So it's good that you turned around and went home. Ooh-wee. Listen to it. I'm going to put this on YouTube, and then I'll send you the link. Okay? We'll probably go home today if we can get the boat out of the water. All right. Talk to you later. Hi, Dottie. Bye now.